Hey guys, welcome back to my channel That Style with Queen Car. In my today's video, I'm going to be discuss on the topic what the things we don't have to be use over our face. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the first one is body lotion. Most of the people, if their sunscreen or the moisturizer are finished, they're going to be use their body lotion over their face, but that is totally wrong because the body lotion is much thicker and oilier as compared to the moisturizer or the sunscreen, and our face skin is also different from our body skin, so that is totally wrong step to use a body lotion over your face, as it may cause the allergy over your face due to the much oily ingredients present in it. So the next one is sugar. Yeah, I think after listening this you got the shock, but that's the true, because the sugars crystal are little bit hard. When we are going to be rub the sugar over face, then it's going to be damage our natural baby skin softness. So if you want to use a sugar, then grind it like a powder, then you can able to be use over your face with mixing any ingredient, not directly. So the next one is hot water. So I think most of the people are know about that we should not have to use a very hot water over our face, because it damage our skin internally and makes our skin very dry, patchy. So the next one is lemon. In today's DIY videos, most of the lemon used is very common. So don't use the lemon juice over your face directly. If you want to use, then mix it with any ingredient, like the other ingredient which are going to be used. So don't directly use it. If you are use this ingredient, like if you use a lemon, then not go out under the sun shine for the 2 hours. So the next one is toothpaste. So this toothpaste is also used by the people for removing their acne or the dark blackheads or the dark spots or something, but it is very wrong step to use a Colgate or toothpaste over your face, because it is a basic in nature and it unbalance the pH value of our face. If you are using Colgate over your face for the some time, it becomes brightening your skin and feels your skin brightening, but after that it started damaging your skin internally or permanently, which can't be recovered again. So the next one is baking soda. Baking soda is acidic in nature, which also unbalance our pH value and damage our skin internally and may cause internally problems in the face, and also makes the loose of our face, like started wrinkle our face and lose the tightening of face. So the next one is soap. Yeah, most of the people are shocked after listening the soap word, because but this is the truth that the soap makes our face very dry, because the soap is mainly make for using of the body, not for the face, but we are often use it over the face also, but don't do this. You should have to be use face wash or cleanser for cleaning your face instead of soap, because soap is very dry and makes your skin very patchy, dry, and damage it internally and makes the skin very dehydrated. So that is all about the today's video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my other videos too, so please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.